Hi, friends! Today we're going to make these adorable animals and then play with them. Wait, where did they go? Well, then let's try to make them. This color is turquoise. Try to guess what animal I'm going to make. This is a very big animal. It can weigh more than a car. It has a large horn on its face, and some even have two. Do you already know what animal it is? Yes, it's a rhino. Woohoo! Rhinos have super thick skin, but it's very sensitive. Rhinos love to roll in mud to stay cool and protect their skin. Rhinos are tall. They can be as tall as a grown-up person. Where should we put this rhino? Is this the right spot? No! How about this one? Wrong again. Maybe this is the right one? Nope. And this one? Yes! That's right! What color do we pick next? Aha! Yellow! But first we'll need a bit of brown. This animal is called the king of the jungle. It can jump very far in just one leap. It can also see really well in the dark. It roars so loud that you can hear it from far away. But every animal of this kind has a different roar, like a human voice. It can run fast, but only for short distances. And yes, it's a lion. Male lions have big fluffy manes. A lion's tail has a furry tuft at the end. They use it to signal to other lions. Lion cubs love to play and wrestle to practice hunting. So, where's the right place for our lion? Is it here? No. How about this spot? Wrong. Maybe it's here? No! This is the right spot. Let's move on, guys. How about some purple? This is going to be a very cute animal. It lives in Australia and eats eucalyptus leaves almost all day. This animal has very strong arms for climbing trees. And also, it has fingerprints like you do. So, what is its name? Right, it's a koala. Koalas almost don't drink. They get all the water they need from leaves. Koalas have 2 thumbs on each hand for gripping branches. Well, let's find this koala's place. Is it here? No, no, no! Perhaps here? Wrong again! How about this spot? That's the right one. Next color is orange. We're making the biggest cat in the world, friends. Cool, right? Each of these animals has unique stripes. No two are the same. These stripes help the animal hide in tall grass. Have you already guessed what animal it is? Another hint for you. This animal is massive and can weigh as much as a small car. It also roars, and its roar is very loud. I know you know this animal. Yes, it's a tiger. Tigers have sharp teeth and claws for hunting. A tiger has a long tail and it uses it for balance. Even though tigers are cats, they are great swimmers and enjoy water. Help me find the right place for the tiger. Is this the right spot? No, it's incorrect. How about this one? Wrong. Maybe it's this spot? Yes. Now let's pick brown. This animal can be very, very big. It sleeps in the winter. It's called hibernation. It has a great sense of smell, better than dogs. It can also stand on 2 hind legs to look around. What animal is it? Yes, it's a bear. Bears have strong claws for digging and climbing. Their fur helps them stay warm in cold places. Bears love berries, honey, and fish. What's the right place for our bear? This one? No. Maybe it's this one? Wrong again. Look, this is the right spot. Now, let's use this light blue clay. We're making the largest land animals on Earth. It has a long nose called trunk and huge ears. And it can swim, using its trunk like a snorkel. What animal is it? Yes, it's an elephant. Elephants can speak with each other using such low sounds that humans can't hear them. Elephants live in families. These families are called herds. These animals can drink many gallons of water at once. To drink, they use their long and strong trunks. Let's find the right place for the elephant. Is it this spot? No. How about this one? Wrong. This is the right place. Next color, it's green. This animal lives in rivers, lakes, and swamps. It has large teeth and very strong jaws. Its eyes and nostrils sit on top of its head. This animal is cold-blooded, so it likes basking in the sun. It can also move really fast on land for short distances. Yes, it's a crocodile. Crocodiles spend most of the time in the water, and they can hold their breath for up to an hour underwater. They have a powerful tail that helps them swim and tough, scaly skin, like armor. Crocodiles are great at hiding. They can easily sneak up on other animals. So where do we put our crocodile? How about this spot? It doesn't fit. Maybe this one's correct? No! Yes, this is the right place. Now let's take this yellow clay. The animal we're making is the tallest on Earth. It has small horn-like bumps on its head. It lives in hot Africa. It has a dark purple or blue tongue, and it uses it to grab leaves from tall trees. This animal is a giraffe. Each giraffe has a unique spot pattern. You won't find the same one. Giraffes can drink water quickly, even with long necks. Giraffes sleep very little, sometimes only minutes at a time. Let's find the right spot for our giraffe. I think it's here. No? Ah, this is the right spot. We have some orange clay left. This animal is a member of the dog family, but it's wild and lives in the forest. It has excellent hearing. No wonder its ears are so large. This animal is very smart and clever. It's active at night and rests during the day. Do you know what animal it is? Right. It's a fox. Foxes have whiskers on their legs. They help them feel the ground. Foxes talk to each other using many different sounds, and fox parents take care of their babies together. There's only one place left for our fox. Here it is. Well, guys, we've made all the animals from our puzzle. Good job. Fox, bear, giraffe, lion, rhino, koala, elephant, tiger, crocodile. Well done! Thank you for your help. Bye-bye, friends.